Hi people, you know what me buck up on the next fruit we are the first me I try it. It's a plum this. First me I see this, it look weird, it looks strange and everything. And the taste of it, but look how inside I see I'm already bite it already. Look there. It kinda sour and slightly fresh. It have a mixture between like cherry and something else, like almost like peach and June plum, yeah, in a one. And it's sour, but the seed come like cherry seed. It's soft, yeah. So tell me if you know what kind of, if you ever see this before, if you ever try it before, let me know. Also, it kind of tastes like grape as well.